Hi everyone, welcome to the world of GK for learning general knowledge. Today I am continuing with the remaining important articles of Constitution. So let's study them one by one. Important articles, Indian Constitution. Articles and related subjects. Last class I have completed with 51A. Here I am starting with Article 52. So Article 52, there shall be a President of India. Article 52 states that there shall be a President of India. Next one is Article 54, Election of President. So, presidential election comes under Article 54. And the procedure of election, everything comes under Article 54. Article 61, Procedure for impeachment of the President. So, impeachment means it's a process by which a legislative body level charges against a official individual. That is impeachment. So, the procedure for impeachment of President comes under Article 61. is Vice President of India. So, the Vice President of India comes under Article 63. Next is 72, Pardoning Power of the President. So, pardoning power of President comes under Article 72. 74, Council of Ministers to aid and advise the President. So, there is a Council of Ministers to aid and advise the President, and the leader of that Council of Ministers is our Prime Minister. So, the article deals with that is 74. President appoints Prime Minister. Prime Minister is appointed by President. That comes under Article 75. Article 76, the Attorney General of India. Attorney General or AG of India comes under Article 76. Article 76 describes about the Attorney General of India. Article 80, composition of Council of States. Council of State means Rajya Sabha. So, the formation of Rajya Sabha comes under Article 80. Next one, 81, composition of House of the People. House of the People means Lok Sabha. Formation of Lok Sabha comes under Article 81. 102, disqualification of membership of Parliament. Parliament has the power to disqualify its member. So, disqualification of membership of Parliament comes under Article 102. Next one is 108, joint sitting of both the houses of Parliament. Both houses are Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. That is Council of States and House of the People. So, their joint sitting comes under Article 108. You just remember 108 is the number for ambulance. So, that is an emergency number. So, here also joint sitting is in also very emergency. So, remember joint sitting also 108. Ambulance is also 108. You remember like that. Next one is 110, Money Bill. So, in the Constitution, the article telling about money bills are 110. Next one is 112, Annual Financial Statement. Or Annual Financial Statement is nothing but budget. There is not a term like that budget in the Constitution. In the Constitution, the budget is mentioned as Annual Financial Statement. So, the Annual Financial Statement or budget comes under Article 112. Next one is 116, vote on account. Vote on account comes under Article 116. Next is 123, ordinance making power of the President. President has the power to make ordinance, and the article deals with the ordinance making power of the President is 123. You just remember, before making ordinance, President will tell 123. For your remembrance, I am telling you, just remember that. Then you will never forget that article. 123. 124, establishment of Supreme Court. So, the establishment of Supreme Court comes under Article 124. 128, Controller and Auditor General of India. So, Controller and Auditor General of India, or CAG, is the top official for auditing for our government. So, this Controller and Auditor General comes under Article 148. Next one is 149. So, 148 is Controller and Auditor General, and 149 is duties and powers of Controller and Auditor General. Next one is 152. Exclusion of Jammu and Kashmir from the list of other states. So, Jammu and Kashmir excluded from the list of other states by the Article 152. But now there is a change in this article, and in the next class I will be uploading videos about the recent changes. So, 153, governors of states. Each state has a governor, and this governors of state comes under Article 153. And these governors are appointed by the President. Next one is 161, power of governor to grant pardon. We have already seen President has the power to grant pardon, and the article was 72. Here, the power of governor to grant pardon, that is under Article 161. Article 161 deals with the power of governor to grant pardon. Next one is 165, Advocate General for the state. We have already seen Attorney General comes under Article 76, and here Advocate General. Attorney General means the officer for the central government, and here Advocate General is for the state. Advocate General comes under Article 165. Next one is 169, abolition or creation of legislative council in states. In India, some states have only legislative assembly, but some states have both legislative councils and legislative assemblies. So, according to this article 169, it says abolition or creation of legislative councils in states. So, abolition or creation of legislative councils in states comes under Article 169. Next one is 213, ordinance making power of the governor. We have seen that ordinance making power of the President is 123, and if you are adding 90 to this 123, you will get 213, or you just jumble these two letters 123 instead of you write 213. That is ordinance making power of governor. Next one is 226, power of high courts to issue writs. 226 is the power of high courts to both Supreme Courts and high courts have the power to issue writs. In the last class we have seen that the power of Supreme Court to issue writ is 32, and the power of High Court to issue writ is 226. Next one is 243A. This A means it's an amended article. Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha comes under article 243A. Next one is 250. 250 deals with power of Parliament to legislate on any list during the period of national emergency. We know there are three types of emergency: national emergency, state emergency, and financial emergency. In case of national emergency, Parliament has the power to legislate on any list. That means Parliament has the power to make laws on any list during the period of national emergency. That comes under Article 250. Next one is 262. Adjudication of disputes relating to waters of interstate rivers. So, there are disputes among states relating to waters. So, adjudication means it's a formal judgment. This formal judgment of disputes relating to waters of interstate rivers comes under Article 262. We know there is a dispute between Kerala and Tamil Nadu for the Kaveri river water. So, that's all about the important articles for today. And I have completed 60 important articles till now. Next session, I will be completing this topic. So, watch all the videos, comment your suggestions, opinions, etc. in the comment box. If this lesson is useful, please subscribe my channel and share videos with your friends. Thank you.